Hi teacher and everyone, my name is Heidi. I'm going to talk about the second conditional. First, introduction. The conditional helps you to talk about what might happen in the present or future and what might have happened in the past. There are four types of conditional. This time we will focus on the second conditional. It's important to know when and how to use the second conditional. It refers to a hypothetical situation of future events that are not likely. Second, use. It uses for talk about the future, but in this case, the condition is hypothetical. It's very unlikely to happen. To expressing impossibility, to talk about the situations in the present that cannot happen because they are impossible. Third, to give advice. Next, grammar rules in second conditional. The grammar rules: see if plus clause, may follow clause, if plus past simple follow would plus verb in base form. The first is hypothesis and the second is results. Example: if I had the time, I would practice a sport. I don't have the time now, so it is now impossible to practice a sport now. We can use were instead of was for all persons. Example: if Peter was or were here, he would then use what to do. We use if I were you when we want to give advice. Example: if I were would I would talk to him about my problem. 4. Structure. This conditional is formed with would followed by an infinitive in the main sentence and the other in the past tense in the subordinate sentence. This is a structure. If plus subject past past simple, comma, subject plus would or wouldn't plus infinitive. Example: if I ate cakes every day, I would get fat. More examples: if she were happy in her job, she wouldn't be looking for other one. If I lived in Japan, I would have sushi every day. boring. If the verb to be is in the conditional sentence, we use were and not was for all persons in the singular and plural. In this case, it is not the past simple, but the subjunctive. In English, you would now say if I was rich. Either you would say if I were rich. You can also use could instead of would. Example: if I won the lottery, I would move to Japan. If I were his father, I wouldn't allow such behavior. Note that the contracted form of would is do. Example: if I were you, I would say yes. Practice. Exercise. In this part, you match the pages of the sentence to the correct endings to make logical conditional sentence. Thank you. That's all.